Hello, everyone, the viewers, the engineers, the contractors, and all the viewers. I would like to express my thanks to those who subscribed my channel, liked my channel, and shared my channel to their contact. Today I am sharing with a new lecture on topic of description, type and methodology of masonry, which I believe is equally important for the engineers. I request those viewers not yet subscribed and shared my channel to their contacts to please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel to their contacts. The link of my YouTube channel is as below, and I will be thankful to you for subscribing my channel, liking my channel, and sharing my channel to as many as engineers in your contact. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Engineers, the viewers, architects, and all other tradesmen. I am introducing myself in each and every lecture with my name, my background of retired civil engineering, professional experience, and my engagements with different um, companies in Pakistan as well as at Sultanate of Oman for more than 36 years in Sultanate of Oman and more than 20 years in Pakistan. This is my total experience period, and my interactive lectures covering core topics of building construction on all relevant trades, including MEP means mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and interior design. Hope the lectures are being studied by you, listened by you, my video recording, and also going through my slides in PowerPoint presentation, for which I will be thankful to you if you go through all my slides and all my lectures. Thank you very much. Engineers, the viewers, the contractors, the architects, I would like to highlight few things regarding my achievements in construction field, and also my few lines with my advice. Dear engineers and architects, contractors, please go through my lectures and you will find that I got the opportunity to deliver the lectures to the students of College of Engineering at Sultan Qaboos University, as well as I addressed the seminar at Nisba University, also at Sultanate of Oman. I delivered many lectures at my previous office, the Azal Project Management Company, on different topics of construction of buildings. I am available to deliver on online lectures to the groups of engineers. These lectures can be conducted via Zoom, Google Meet, or any uh, other preferred platform. Now, I would like to again and again, in every lecture, I am advising the engineer, the junior architects. In addition to obtaining the necessary qualifications such as diploma, bachelor's degree, or even the master's degree in your concerned fields of engineering, it is essential to gain the technical and practical knowledge to specific trades of industry you are working in. Acquiring this knowledge not only enhances your employability but also ensures the successful delivery of projects, the meeting the satisfaction of the stakeholders, especially the client. So I would like to once again highlight that please get as much as technical and practical knowledge from your colleagues, from your seniors, and all other technical people. Thank you. Of course. Now we will start the exact topic of Masonry. In slide number 4, we are going to discuss about the methodology and mesh and quality and properties of the masonry. Masonry refers to the construction technique of building structures from the individual units like walls. The most common material used in masonry are stone, bricks, or concrete blocks. All these materials are to be used, and before starting the masonry it is mandatory to thoroughly review the architectural and structural drawings, the BOQ, the specification, and the instructions of the structural engineers. Number one, the priority is that you have to place the order for the required masonry materials like bricks, stones, mortar, sand, and concrete blocks, etc. Now we are going to start at exact place of the masonry, so we have to take care of the cleaning of the entire surface and make it rough so that there should be a bond between the RCC structure and the masonry. So in this way we have to start the masonry work with taking the safety precautions also. All the safety is to be monitored and implemented at the construction projects. Thank you very much. Once again, as we discussed in slide number 4, we will again discuss in slide number 5 about the methodology of masonry. In this slide also, as discussed earlier, all the necessary tools, scaffolding, safety kits to be available and to be arranged in advance at construction project. To start with masonry, specified mortar is to be mixed in proper proportions of cement, sand, and water. Start the masonry with first layer. The first layer to be kept should be aligned and in plumb. Joints not to be more than 10 to 15 mm. Also to check the alignment and plumb in subsequent layers. Same way, to check the alignment and plumb, we have to use the plumb bob or the leveling instruments, and we have to check the alignment with the leveling instrument as well. So the joints must be in a staggered way. No joint should be one above the other, so that there should not be any chance of cracks. Thank you very much. Dear viewers, especially the site engineers and site team, it's mandatory for the safety of the workers while they are working at height. Also, while shifting any material like the concrete blocks, the bricks, the cement, or any other material to the heights through the scaffolding, it should be through the scaffolding. For that, we have to do the proper planning in advance so that there should not be any danger of life risk or any uh, danger of injury of the workers. So we have to take care of all the safety precautions and safety kits to be worn by all the workers. This is very very important also for for lifting the material like blocks and bricks and cement. Extra manpower is to be engaged so that they they should smoothly shift the material to the top for the workers, for like the mortar is to be shifted through the hoist even, not through the manpower. So all these cares to be taken while working at height by the masons or the workers to do the masonry. Thank you. In this slide number 7, we'll discuss about the handling and storage of materials at construction site for the masonry. Blocks, bricks, stones, or any other material is used for the masonry should be loaded just near to the working place on a clean and hard surface, free from the contamination of the mud or surface water. Much care to be taken that the corners of and or the edges of the blocks should not be damaged while unloading the blocks at site near to the working place. Metal ties to be used to protect from metal ties to and steps to be protected from the damage and distortion and to kept under cover. These metal ties and straps are used between the RCC columns and the masonry. Blocks to be kept at working place. Not Blocks should not be unloaded by the wheelbarrows or trolleys because they will damage the block, and damaged and corner or edges broken blocks not to be used in masonry. Broken bricks also not to be used in masonry. Blocks shall be delivered to the site offloaded just near to the site at clean and hard surface and a smooth surface. Metal ties, as I told you earlier, to be used between the columns and the masonry. These metal ties are embedded in RCC columns while you are doing the shuttering of the RCC columns. So these cares to be taken while unloading the blocks or bringing the blocks from the yard and to the site. Thank you very much. In slide number 8, we'll discuss about the arrangement of joints of block masonry as we discussed briefly earlier, also in earlier slides also. Once again, because this is important issue and to be taken care of at construction projects. There should not be no way there should be any joint one above the other because it's risky and the cracks can develop in vertical joints if they are one above the other. So we have not to tolerate about this. And English bond of the block is necessary so that there should not be any vertical joint. Thickness of the joints, as we discussed also earlier also, that it should not be more than 15 mm. The joints should be ragged so that there should be a better bond between the plaster while you are doing the plaster to the masonry. Partition walls should be bounded to each other with the main wall so that there should be a toothing arrangement as specified in drawings and as per the contract. All the rack joints to be cleaned properly so that the loose stuff to be removed from the joints, and you will get better bond between the plaster and the block. While doing the plaster, you have to wet the masonry and then start the plaster. Thank you. In slide number 9, we'll discuss about the positioning of the opening in block masonry. That is for the doors, the windows, the ventilators, and other openings. The site engineers and site supervisors to understand the drawings, the specification, and the structural instructions, so that there should be the proper openings for the doors, for the windows, for the ventilators. Proper supervisor ensures the masonry is carried out as per the proper design also. So the design should be thoroughly studied by the engineers. Opening for the doors and windows and the sleeves for the services, it is stressed that keep all the records, required openings such as doors and windows and sleeves for the plumbing, electrical, HVAC, etc. in block masonry, so that there should not be any cutting in future course. Provision for the sleeves below the plinth level is also necessary, so that you can start from the plinth level to the masonry. All the sleeves should be kept and left earlier. To maintain and to adherence to the plan during the block masonry will avoid the unnecessary delays of the project. So all these things are to be done for the openings in masonry. All the openings, there should be a gap between on all the sides of the opening for fixing the doors, windows, and ventilators easily. Dear viewers, especially the engineers at site, they must know that after immediately after the completion of the masonry next day, from the next day, not from the immediately completion of the masonry, it should be from the next day, when the curing is mandatory to be done for a specified period for at least 7 days in winter, and about 4 to 5 days in summer season. So the site staff from the contractor end should instruct the mason or himself to write the date of the masonry completed every day, so that the curing period should be completed to each and every section of the masonry, every part of the masonry. In all the rooms, different timings are given for the masonry. So masonry should be cured for 7 days at least, so that it can get proper strength of the block masonry. Thank you very, very much. Dear viewers, now we are at slide number 11, in which we are going to discuss about the final inspection on completion and during the methodology of masonry works. To ensure, and it should be ensured, that the quality is to be maintained of entire works of the masonry. The site team has to conduct the thorough inspection during and after the completion of the masonry works, so that there should not be any lacking to be held. This involves checking the dimensions of the doors, windows, ventilations, the arches, and all other structures. Measurements verification is very important and very necessary, because to confirm that the doors and windows and ventilators and itself walls measurements is correctly constructed. The sizes are to be checked as per the drawings. Alignment and leveling and plumb of the masonry is to be checked once again, as we checked it during the execution. Structural integrity is to be verified. It is very important that the structure should be strong and sound and to be as per the drawings and the specifications. Clear spacing, as I discussed earlier also, there should be a clear spacing at all the sides of the openings, like doors, windows, ventilators, arches, and everywhere. The quality control, this is very important, my dear friends, my dear engineers. We have to, in engineering or any other trade, even in offices, the quality work is to be counted, and it is distinct. Actually, the quality is the best way to be checked during the execution and after the execution also. This quality will show your performance and the company's performance, which will enhance for the future chances to get the projects at construction field. Thank you very much. Viewers, in this lecture of masonry, the quality of masonry, the properties of masonry, and the methodologies, in brief I have discussed. I think it's useful for you, and you will really be with me to go through my slides and go through my video recording, so that you can get some technical and practical knowledge. Especially the site engineers at site can get technical and practical knowledge. I request you to please write back to me if you need any lecture on any topic of civil engineering, HVAC engineering, mechanical engineering, plumbing engineering, or architectural, even for the basic concepts. So I am really very much thankful to each and every viewer who subscribed, liked, and shared my channel, to the engineers and to the general public, for which I will be much thankful to you. In slide number 12, I have uploaded the link of my YouTube channel. You can click it and share it to the engineers as much as possible, for which I will be thankful to you. Thank you very much. Good night and goodbye.